So lately we have been getting a lot of queries like because of this current unfortunate situation caused due to this COVID-19 pandemic. You might also have been seeing the news around, and a lot of uncertain things are we are going through right now. So a lot of students were asking us this query that they want to start prepare for GATE exam, but because of this COVID, they are unable to start, and somewhere like they are not in the right mood to start. We thought we can answer this question through a small video so that if anyone else has also the same questions or are unable to get started for GATE exam, whatever is the reason, so we thought we can help you out. So this is what I'll be talking through the video. It is quite unfortunate that we are currently facing this pandemic and a lot of uncertain things are happening. A lot of things are not in our control. So, but what we can, the minimum what we can do is we can prepare for it. So this is what I'll be talking about in this video. If you have any similar questions like this or any other questions which is bothering you, you can let us know either in the chat or the comment section. We will definitely try to take it up and answer it in the next video. For those who are new to APSCD, as you might all be aware of, we provide courses for civil engineering. It is useful for GATE, ESE and other exams also. You can visit our website apscd.in or you can download our APSCD app. So we have some free resources like we provide every day one question which is of GATE level. Feel free to check it out. A lot of students have also benefited and got good rank in GATE by using our study packages. Right now we have two study packages, basic and premium, at affordable prices with which you can choose from. The link for this is also we have given in the description and also in the comment section. Now coming back to this question, it is quite natural that every day we are trying to see news and a lot of things is said in the news. So our mind is kind of occupied by it. And I agree that it is very difficult to start because so many things are happening around us and people are reacting differently. So, but how to overcome this and get started? So, first and foremost thing is obviously there are certain things which are not in our control, like if the exam will get cancelled or it will be postponed or what will happen, will there be another lockdown. So there are some things which are not in our control, so it is better not to be bothered about it. It is good to see news, but if your mind is occupied all the time about it, try to avoid this part. I mean, it is good to know from someone else what's happening, but every day just try not to let your mind occupied by this news. And if you want to prepare for GATE, don't try to postpone it. Like there is a very famous quote by Mark Twain. He says that the secret of getting ahead is to get started. It is very good to hear this quote, but how to implement this in real life? It is little difficult because every day, like what we generally do is, like you might also be remembering for every new year, what we try to do is like we take resolutions like from Jan 1 you will start going to gym or you will start doing certain activities or you will take some resolutions and you will put a date to it. So sometimes we also try to fool our mind by saying that I okay, let me start from July 1st, or it's okay, there is lot of time left, let me start from September 1st. So this is like we have time in hand but we are just trying to delay it. So this does not work. I mean, for some people it might work, but for most of the people it is just you're trying to fool your mind by postponing the current problem. So what you have to do is you have to just get started, however small it is. Just get started with very small things, like think of every day is a fresh start. You can start with something very small. Like if you are preparing for gate, what you can do is you can go to any of the websites like NPTEL or previous official gate website where they have put previous year papers. So what you can do is you can just start looking at them, like what are the questions asked, how difficult it is. So those things you can try to analyze. Like just try to spend like 1 to 2 hours every day. This is for people who have not yet started and are unable to start due to various reasons, either due to COVID or any other reason. Just pick up any paper. So here we can see that recently NPTEL has put all the previous year papers. You can also find in different websites like GATE official website. There are so many sources. I'm just taking an example here. Let's say we are going to one of the papers. So here you can see the pattern and everything. So these things you might already know, but for those who are new, it is good to understand on your own so that you get the feel of the exam. What you can see is like how the aptitude questions are asked. Are they easy? Are you able, will you be able to answer such questions? Now if you go forward, you can see like they have asked for the dimension of kinematic viscosity or the minimum value of 15-minute peak hour factor. So if you have already studied such questions, you might already be able to answer some of them. So you can get that confidence. So you can actually clear this exam. Like then you can go on to see some difficult questions as well. So here they have given the flow net, and now we have to find out the quantity of flow per meter of dam. If you feel that these sort of questions are new, you can start thinking like actually if you study, if you will be able to answer this. Like that you can go on to see every previous year paper and start to analyze. You can find which subjects are asked most. Like you can always type gate subject wise analysis and find out easily, but if you do this exercise on your own, it will help you get started. Later you can refer anywhere, but just to get started, these are very good things. Then you can also try to go and analyze which is your weak topics or which are your strong topics. All those things you can do. Just dedicate like 1 to 2 hours daily for the first 2 weeks. That much is enough, but at least spend 1 to 2 hours, if not more than that. After this, what you can do is you can choose the resources to study from. There are a lot of resources in the internet as well as coaching centers. So many are there, but the key thing is you have to decide early. As you might be aware of, we also have courses which you can check out. So if you're comfortable with our way of teaching, you can go for it, or you can go for a free resources also. So we have put like geotech environment videos and few more subject videos in our YouTube also, that also you can check. Or if you are not comfortable with our way of teaching, you can check out other resources which are available in the internet also. And if suppose studying by video lectures is not good for you, go for some books. So whichever is suitable for you, choose it, but decide it early. So these things you can start with, these small things. After that, you can jump into like a full swing preparation. So this will help you transition into a full swing preparation. Also make sure that right now you know the situation that we cannot go out much. So what you try to do is create a steady space in your room where there are no distraction. If suppose you are getting distractions like a phone call or something in between, try to keep them away. All you need to do is set up your steady space. Even if you take 1 day for doing this, it is worth the effort. Like today you can go and start with as small of setting your steady space, and tomorrow you can start with analyzing the previous year papers and so on. Continuously we will also try to provide more videos to help you jump into full swing preparation. We have one more resource to help you get started with. So we have put together a elaborate guide so that you can crack gate and you can know the right strategy. So there are certain things which I want you to do yourself so that you get the entire feel of it. So you can go out and check this. I'll provide this link in the description below. So as you can see here, first it is starting with as small of analyzing the GATE syllabus, subject-wise weightage. So these things we have also put up, but it is better that you do it first and then go on to check out these things. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, do like it. If you are interested in our courses, you can download our APSCD app or go to apscd.in. And if you have any questions which you want us to answer in the further upcoming videos, do drop us a comment. Definitely we'll try to take it up in the next upcoming videos. Or you can also email us your queries at support@apscd.in. Definitely we'll try and help you out. Thank you for watching this video.